In just about 60 minutes from now, the mask mandate goes into effect across Nevada. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Trisha Keene.
And I'm Ty Quinones. There are a number of questions about enforcement and also exemptions. And 13 Action News reporter Joe Bartels right now is live near the Strip. And Joe, certainly there is a lot to sort out here.
Yeah, there really is, Todd. Trisha, the mask mandate goes into really effect for anyone venturing into a public space. That includes going into a hotel and casino. And as we found out, authorities are still trying to figure out what enforcement will look like. The state's bread and butter, the gaming industry, has taken the lead on masks. Caesars Properties among the first to require patrons to wear masks. And now everyone will be required to wear face coverings anytime they're in public.
No shirt, no shoes, no mask, no service.
The mask mandate includes no civil or criminal penalties for individuals who willingly violate, but the businesses that allow violators will face the consequences through fines or other regulatory means. There are medical exemptions for certain conditions and for children under 2.
Some of these conditions that might not be able to wear a traditional face mask would be conditions like obstructive pulmonary disease or heart conditions, people who have severe claustrophobia.
Dr. Stacy McHale with the Clark County Medical Society says there's other ways besides masks to protect others.
Or even something easier like a face shield. So a face shield like this allows the person wearing it to be able to breathe, to be able to talk, and not to have anything covering their face, but it still protects all of the people across from them.
She says the mask mandate is on the honor system. People don't have to show documentation, cards, or doctor's notes when asked by a business if they are not wearing a face covering.
They're not requiring any sort of identification or any sort of letter to state that you have a condition. It is really left up to being a truthful and honest person and the business owners respecting those conditions.
13 Investigates contacted the city of Las Vegas. Authorities say they are still evaluating the mask mandate from the governor, but education is key to making sure businesses stay open and patrons stay safe.
This right here has a lot to do with why numbers are going up. People aren't wearing these.
The governor says the current trend is alarming. Nevada just set a new record with more than 500 new cases of COVID-19 on Wednesday, the highest one-day total since the pandemic began. And doctors say there are some professions that are exempt from wearing a face mask. Law enforcement, for example. You should also not wear a mask while swimming in a swimming pool, for example, or driving your car. You also are not required to wear a mask if you are eating or drinking something at a restaurant. Also, for example, that mandate goes into effect at 11:59 p.m. tonight. Reporting live, Joe Bartels, 13 Action News.
Joe, thank you.